Is it worth the upgrade? Hey, what's up guys? Meredith here, and I want to talk about the Hero7 Black. GoPro sent me the Hero7 Black last week during their pre-launch phase. I did an unboxing video, but I wanted to really spend some time with the camera before I do an actual review. So that's what we're gonna do today. I have some definite opinions on it, so make sure you stick around to hear what I have to say. Hey, GoPro, thanks for including me in the GoPro family so I can share my thoughts and my review of the Hero7 with the VidProMom family. If you're new here to the VidProMom YouTube channel, I help families create and capture relivable moments on video. And so I'm coming at this Hero7 review from that perspective. I am the least action camera type person that actually owns a GoPro. Actually, I own like a whole bunch of GoPros, but I use my GoPro cameras to capture family stuff like vacations and like just regular everyday kind of family adventures. They make an excellent family camera because they are waterproof, they're small, they're mountable, and the image quality is just amazing. I put this to the test. I have my Hero5 Black. I used my Karma Grip gimbal and compared that with my Hero7. I even took the John Deere for a joyride because I don't do mountain biking or anything like that. I don't think you've seen the Hero7 on a John Deere. So as far as the Hero7 Black itself, it has an updated user interface, that touch display on the back, completely updated like menu and everything. It is a lot easier to use. I feel like it's faster, it's more responsive when you touch it, and it's easier to switch between your modes because you just slide back and forth, and I really, really like that. The camera body is the same size and dimensions as the Hero 6 and the Hero5 Black and the Hero 2018. So you don't have to worry about your batteries not being compatible. As long as you have one of the models that came out in the last couple years, you'll be able to interchange those batteries in all of your mounts and frames and all of those things. But the Hero7 Black is actually black, so the camera actually looks a little bit different. There is also a silver and white version, which really don't come anywhere near the new features of the black. So anytime you hear me referencing the Hero7 in this video, I am talking specifically about the Hero7 Black, which is the one that I have. The Hero7 has the 3 microphones, just like the previous models, and they're all in the same spot, although GoPro says that they have like an improved mic system. So I did a little bit of an audio test. You can see for yourself if the audio is in fact improved. This is our... Where are you going? I'm trying to interview you. Where are you going? I'm trying to interview you. Aries, come sit, bud. Sit. Aries, sit. Aries, sit. Aries, sit. This is our new dog. He's a 3-year-old German Shepherd. Some other fun new features on the Hero7 is the fact that you can actually turn the camera sideways and record, and your file will actually be vertical. So if you want to publish directly to Instagram stories or Snapchat or something, it's really easy to do that now. But the 3 big features that I think everyone is talking about and that GoPro is really hyping up a lot is the super photo, the time warp, and the hyper smooth stabilization. So super photo is just a way for you to take better photos in auto mode. I haven't really played with that a whole lot yet. But the big game changer for the Hero7 Black compared to previous models and most other cameras is this hyper smooth stabilization. It promises to be gimbal-like, and my favorite thing is GoPro is saying that shaky videos are dead. So here I have my GoPro Hero7 Black on the right, and on the left is my Hero 5, which is inside of the Karma Grip. So I have the gimbal happening over on the left with the Hero 5 Black, and I have just the hyper smooth stabilization happening on the right. So this is just me taking a walk in my yard around my pond. Now this particular day was fairly windy up on the hill where I live, so let's just listen to some of the audio that's happening here. So I've got my Hero 5 Black and my Hero 7 Black. I'm holding them both with the same hand. The Hero 5 Black is on the 3-way, but it's just with the regular handle. And the Hero 7 is on the shorty, but it's upside down. It's the only way I can hold them both at the same time. So it's a very breezy day here. I live way up on a hill. It's actually windy. I wouldn't even call it breezy. It's windy. So it's a very breezy day here. I live way up on a hill. It's actually windy. I wouldn't even call it breezy. It's windy. So about the John Deere Joyride, like I said, I don't do mountain biking or anything like that. So I had to think of something that was going to necessitate the use of hyper smooth stabilization. And you can tell just looking at the front end of the John Deere how bumpy this is. Our field and all the way around our pond and everything is super bumpy. It's full of like gopher holes. Is extreme lawn mowing a thing? So for this footage, I'm just holding the Hero7 Black in the shorty handle. It's not mounted or anything like that. It's just handheld. Just look at the front end of this mower as it is going over all of the bumps and hitting all those gopher holes and everything. You can tell how bumpy it is, and the footage is still pretty smooth, right? I'm also holding my Rilo 360 camera. So on the left is my Rilo footage and on the right is my Hero7 Black footage. And the reason why I was doing both at the same time is because Rilo is known for their stabilization. And so I knew that it was already pretty fantastic, so I wanted to kind of compare the two, and you can see for yourself. So what are my thoughts on the Hero7 Black? Well, now that I've used it for a week, I can tell you I love this thing. It's a freaking fantastic camera. It really is an upgraded GoPro. It's not just like the next generation. Does it make a gimbal obsolete? I don't know. I think it really comes down to what you're going to be using the camera for. So is it worth the upgrade? I say yes. If you have the money to spend, absolutely it is worth the upgrade. I think it's just really important though to recognize that just because GoPro came out with a new camera that is better than the previous cameras doesn't mean the previous cameras are bad. What really matters is that you actually take the time to get to know your camera, use it, capture those relivable moments on video so they can be shared with friends and family in future generations. And it really doesn't matter what model GoPro you have for that. But if you're in the market for a new GoPro or you're thinking about buying one for the first time, the Hero7 is awesome. Hey, and thanks GoPro for including me in the Hero7 launch. I can't even tell you how many questions I have answered about this camera over the last week. And I know a whole bunch of people in my GoPro enthusiast Facebook group have already pre-ordered their Hero7 Black. So also have links down below to all of our favorite shopping sites, including GoPro.com, in case you want to get started early with your Christmas shopping. I think you guys are gonna like it. And hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do that now. Hit the like button on your way out and let me know in the comments if you have upgraded to the Hero7 Black yet.